This video is going to show you how to use the SCORM app when you are doing MBA research with any of your classes. You will need to do this for each Canvas course that uses the materials. First thing you're going to do is go into your Canvas course and click Settings. Click Navigation, and we're just going to add the SCORM tool, which is just the link in this case, to the navigation menu. So you'll scroll down to the bottom and find SCORM, and then drag it to the top wherever you want it. I'm just going to put it at the very top. And make sure you hit the orange Save button so that it will then be added to the navigation menu for you and your students. Once you've done that, you're going to need to go to your MBA research course and then go to Commons and locate the course you want to add to your Canvas course, your FCPS Canvas course. So I found an example, which is digital marketing. One thing I will tell you is if you choose to just do a lab module, the small portion and not the whole course, you have to email every time you want access to those. If you do the whole course, they're all here, and it's much easier to get into your Canvas course. So you're going to select the MBA research course, and then we're just going to download all the materials into one folder. Then you're going to go to your downloads and you're going to see a zip file. It's very large. Go ahead and unzip it. You're going to see a lot of stuff, which can be overwhelming, but what you're going to look for is probably the last folder. It's called Web Resources. So open that folder, and then that's where you'll see the SCORM zip file. This folder, don't unzip it. You're going to need to move it to somewhere else on your computer, away from your downloads. You might put it on the desktop or in your My Documents. So I'm going to actually put it in My Documents. Now it's right here. I'm going to unzip that folder. And now there are 4 packages. And those are the packages that you're going to upload. Do not unzip those packages. Now we're ready to go to our FCPS Canvas course and import these. So I'm back in my FCPS course, and I'm going to go to my navigation menu and click SCORM. Then I'm going to upload. I'm going to navigate to find these. Again, you would go to Documents, and then you had unzipped that, so they're all right there. I'm going to select all of them at once and click Open. If for some reason you get a red bar on there, it means that you're uploading the wrong file. But if it does this, you're good to go. This step is also very important. You have to choose the import type. You want to choose as a graded assignment because these are things that your students are going to do. If it's not graded, you can choose not graded assignment, but just keep in mind you can't change that once you put it in Canvas. You would have to delete it and do it all over again. So I am just going to make these all graded assignments, click the green Go button, and then have patience. Now they're ready to use. To find these, you're going to go to Assignments, and you're going to see, just like in your normal Canvas life when you create assignments, that they populate right here. Now you've got to add them to a module so that your students can access them, because typically we put our assignments in modules. So you're going to go to the module, and then add the assignments. And then you're going to publish. There's one more step you need to take if you use GradeSync and you want these grades to sync to Infinite Campus. You'll notice there's no due date on these assignments. Assignments without due dates will not sync to Infinite Campus, even assignments that you create that have nothing to do with SCORM. So you're going to click on the assignment and edit the settings so that you can add a due date and make sure it's going to sync to Infinite Campus. Now this assignment is able to be synced if you have GradeSync set up. Another thing that you can do if your students don't like working inside Canvas is you can have this load in a new tab, which means that each of those assignments will just pop up in a tab when you click on it. I like to recommend that because sometimes it overwhelms Canvas when it's trying to load inside. Then they would just click this window and it would open it right here. And they're ready to start the lesson.